Hi there, my name is Taimo Lim. Today I'm going to presenting my business venture ideas. The Zero Waste Takeaway Box. The concept addresses the environmental problem of disposable food packaging by introducing a reusable circular economy system. First, we need to find the problem and the need. A single-use takeaway containers are a growing environmental threat. More than 1 billion are discarded annually in Australia, with the most ending in landfill or waterways. A compostable option still needs industrial facility that many cities lack. Customers feel guilty, cafes facing high costs, and governments struggle with waste. The gap between convenience and sustainability remains unsolved. For root cause analysis, using system thinking lifecycle analysis, we found the waste issue to be systematic. Customers value convenience, cafe fare at cost, and recycling fail due to contamination. To fix this, the solution must combine technology, behavior change, and service redesign, creating a closed-loop reuse system. For market and policy insights, benchmarking returners and moves prove market interest but also scalability limits. Recent circular economy policies and consumer research reveal strong sustainability intentions, especially among younger buyers who align purchasing with social values. These factors make reusable packaging system both timely and feasible. Here come two creative idea generation. For two ideas emerge, a compostable bio-smart box and a reusable smart box with QR tracking. Studies show reusable cut carbon emission by 80% after 15 and 20 uses. Following design thinking and the Scarpetta innovation theory, the reusable model was chosen for its long-term efficiency and scalability. For idea evaluation and refinement, using the value proposition canvas, customer jobs and pains was mapped. Consumers want convenience and a positive environmental image. Cafe need compliance and lower waste. Zero waste takeaway boxes creates two-side value by supplying reusable containers and logistic service. A pilot test achieved 80% return and confirming user acceptance. The concept outline. The zero waste takeaway box uses a durable food grade box with a QR or RFID tag to track every cycle. User pay a refundable 5 deposit. Cafe subscribe for $49 per month. The app show carbon dioxide saving and return point. Cleaning hub maintain hygiene and reusable performance. The business model was followed by the business model canvas. Key partners include cafe, delivery platform like Uber, and logistical provider. Revenue comes from deposit subscription and sustainability sponsorship. It embodies shared value creation, aligning financial growth with social and environmental impact. Impact and feasibility. Feasibility analysis show break-even in about 2 years as reuse cycle grows. Each 10 used batch diverts roughly 1 ton of waste from landfill. The project supports Australia's circular economy targets. It achieves triple bottom line, outcome economy, social and environmental. In conclusion, the Zero Waste Takeaway Box transforms disposable packaging into a circular economy service. With a strong customer demand and policy backing, it demonstrates shows sustainable innovation and entrepreneurship can deliver both profit and purpose. Thank you. Here come to the end. Here are the references.